If a picture is worth 1,000 words, BILT is worth 1,000 pictures. BILT is a customer experience company that specializes in creating loyal customers of the brands we serve. We call these types of customers promoters. The first way that we do this is we create BILT Intelligent Instructions. These are 3D guided, fully interactive instructions that can be updated in real time, anytime. As opposed to paper or video, this is now a fully immersive experience that is so empowering. We can literally take complex tasks and make them so simple that anyone can do them and do them well. The second thing that we do is we provide important pieces of analytics, like the amount of time people spend in each step, net promoter scores, customer satisfaction scores, and most importantly, user feedback and reviews. That information will keep coming back to you on a regular basis to help you continue to provide the very best products in your marketplace. As we create this type of experience for your customer, you will see 3 results. First, a significant decrease in the number of returns that you receive for that product. Second, a similar decrease in your customer support costs. Third, and most important, an increase in top-line sales as a result of your star ratings now going up because people are just having a better experience. Getting started with BILT is also wonderfully simple. All we need is any 3D CAD that you have for the existing product, a sample of the product, which you will send to our Global Brand Support Center, and then any existing instructions related to that product. This allows us to take our expertise at identifying friction points and remove that friction in the process. When we finish, not only do you have a nearly perfect set of instructions, but we can also give you as a brand advice on things you could do to improve your product in the future. The other great thing about BILT, these are intelligent instructions. We can update these instructions in real time, anytime. So as you launch that product and continue to get user feedback, we can make changes to those instructions instantaneously. Gone are the days when you receive feedback and the changes to those instructions don't actually make it to market for another 6 or even 12 months. We can now make changes to those instructions instantaneously so that every one of your customers has a perfect customer experience. That's how we create loyal customers for you.